Are we gonna name it? I don't know.
This is Bob.
Bob the cat. Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, and this is, gonna say your name?
Jordan Price.
And
Finn.
there's Finn.
And Bob.
So, and Bob the cat. Jordan picked that filter. The cat is kind of funny, huh? He's like going, what do? I'm stuck at home for several weeks. And that's what we're going to talk to you about. I wanted to let you guys know, if you're looking for fun crafts to do, fun activities, I'm going to be showing you a few things on here. Today, we did not create our own. We actually went to Hobby Lobby today. If you're out and about, our local Hobby Lobby was open today. Hey, put that down for a second. So we had to run in to get some supplies for the store, and we wanted to check out their craft section.
It's only $17.
Yes, the one thing that we picked out today the total price was $17, but we used our 40% off coupon, so we got a significant discount on that. However, I wanted to let you know, not only in their craft area, that they have kids crafts that are already prepackaged and ready to go. They had several. If you weren't able to use your 40% coupon, they had several that were marked down to like $3 and $4. Then we went over to the aisle where they have the kit cars and the robots and such, and they had several over there marked down to $3 and $4 too. So if you're looking for some crafts or projects to stock up on for your kids, check them out. Not an ad, that's just because I love you, FYI, because moms that are at home are looking for things to do, and we'll come on with some DIY stuff you can do at home as well. But the thing that Jordan settled on was a robot kit, and I'm going to let him talk about it and let you know. Jordan, you want to tell him about the different things you looked at and why you picked this one? Let me turn the camera around. I'm going to let Jordan talk. Hold on.
And Bob's going to be with me.
Oh, and Bob is with you. Okay, show him the box, what you ended up with. And what is that? Back it up a little bit. It's a saltwater fuel cell Baja Runner. That looks pretty cool. Okay, so do you want to tell him about it?
So, when I first looked at it, it looked really cool. It has some eyes.
It has eyes? Oh yeah, it sure does. That's kind of cool.
And I thought, saltwater fuel cell, that sounds cool.
That sounds cool.
And then the monster truck that I wanted to craft, it included glue, and glue can break. But when I looked at this, it had no battery, and it included no paint. And I'm always messy with paint,
So that's how you came to your decision?
Mm-hmm.
It took a long time.
It took like 3 minutes.
No, it took much longer than 3. We were in there about 20 minutes trying to decide which project we wanted to pick out and take home.
There was like a dragon bot, all that.
Yes, there was a dragon. What else did they have? They had a crazy robot.
They had that robot that walks. They had that mechanical hand.
They did. The mechanical hand looked really cool. You could make it do several different things. What else? They had slime. Tons of slime projects. They had a volcano project. They had some
They had some other robots.
Yeah, they had a bunch of different cool science projects, so learning activities. And then they had tons of, obviously, art and craft type stuff, all marked down. A lot of them were marked down to $3 and $4. So is that all you wanted to say about your project? I know you're itching to get started. Can you tell them what all tools you had to have to do this project?
I had to have diagonal clipper.
Diagonal clippers. What else? Let Nana stand up.
Diagonal cutter.
Yes.
I needed a stick.
A stick.
And I needed a slotted screwdriver.
A screwdriver. That's also known as a flathead. What else?
A cup and salt.
A cup and salt. And why did you need the salt?
Because it's
The battery's powered with what?
salt water. But
Salt water.
it has no battery built
Not yet, but that's how it runs off of salt water, right?
Oh, and by the way, it can run for 5 through 7 hours.
What? That's a long time. That's pretty cool.
I hope it has an off button.
I do too. All right, friends, you heard it here first. You heard it here first about saltwater robots. So we're going to get to work on our project. We just wanted to give you the info so you can stock up on some crafts too. I'm sure if you're not in a situation where you can venture out, then you can hit them up online and order these kits probably at the discounted price as well. So anyway, yes, dear.
When we're finished with this, can we make another live and see how well it works?
We probably will come back and update you on our progress later today. We are on a loose schedule today. We did a homeschool schedule, so we've already done our academic time and our move time, which included a total body workout, which is very interesting to do at home with your 8-year-old and your dog. So be careful, those will poke your toe. So now we're into creative time, but we wanted to share our find with you guys. So I hope you're able to get in some fun creative time while you're stuck at home. So anyway, until we see you again, happy crafting and enjoy the cat filter on us. Is he hollering? What do you think Bob's hollering?
I think he's scared because there's a dogzilla in front of him.
We're loving the cat filter. So anyway, until we see you again, happy crafting, friends.